The infestation that shut down my rental. The tenant didn't complain, didn't ask for repairs, didn't report a problem. They just kept living there. Until one day, the city got involved. What started as a routine inspection turned into a full shutdown of the property. Not because of damage, but because something had taken over the space. Today's story isn't about a bad tenant or a bad landlord. It's about what happens when a problem grows quietly, behind walls, under floors, and out of sight. Stay until the end, because the landlord almost missed the one detail that made this situation impossible to fix. The warning signs that were ignored. At first, nothing seemed wrong. Rent was paid. The tenant kept to themselves. Neighbors didn't complain. But there were signs. A strange smell in the hallway. Occasional maintenance requests that were vague and rushed. Windows always shut. Curtains never opened. The landlord assumed privacy. What it really was containment. Because infestations don't announce themselves loudly, they multiply quietly. Still watching? The inspection is where everything changed. The inspection that stopped everything. When the inspector entered the unit, they didn't finish the walkthrough. They stopped halfway through. Notes turned into photos. Photos turned into phone calls. The tenant had been living alongside a growing infestation for months, maybe longer. It wasn't just one room. It wasn't just one source. The issue had spread into vents, walls, and shared spaces. That's when the order came down. The unit wasn't safe. The property had to be vacated immediately. And that's when the real cost became clear. Why this was worse than damage. Damage can be repaired. Infestations change everything. Tenants must be relocated. Units must be sealed. Treatments take weeks, sometimes months. But the biggest problem? Responsibility. Even if the tenant caused it, the property owner carries the burden. The landlord couldn't re-rent. Couldn't renovate yet. Couldn't ignore it. Every day offline meant lost income. And every delay made the problem harder to control. If you thought eviction was expensive, this was worse. The detail that sealed the property's fate. During remediation, specialists found the source. It wasn't new. It wasn't sudden. It had been building for a long time. Food storage habits. Unreported moisture. Years without intervention. The infestation had embedded itself deep enough that simple treatment wouldn't work. Walls needed opening. Floors needed removal. Systems needed replacement. The property wasn't just paused, it was compromised. And the landlord realized something chilling. This didn't happen overnight. It happened quietly. Why infestation is every landlord's nightmare. Infestations don't just affect one tenant. They threaten entire buildings, neighbors, future renters. And unlike broken cabinets or stained carpets, this kind of problem follows the property. Reputation matters. Listings matter. Trust matters. In the next file, we go deeper into how landlords discover infestations not through inspections, but through something far worse. This property didn't fail because of anger or neglect. It failed because something was allowed to grow unseen. In the next file, the landlord knew something was wrong before they ever opened the door. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.